Greetings, in today's video we'll see how we can replace an engine in a vibratory sieve. This will be the first of a series of videos on the essential spare parts for the vibratory sieves from Virto-Cuccolini. It is intended to be very practical, very useful for you in the maintenance team. Let's go. In order to replace the engine, we won't need any special tool, just your average, your regular tools in the workshop will do. We will be adjusting the weight in the engine, placing the cover after that. We will just have to place sealing product like silicone in around where we will now place the gasket, sealing the position of the engine with the rest of the sieve machine. The set of weights have to be placed like you can see in the video, all together forming one single block. We will place the weights in one side in a specific position, just like the weights, as you will see in short, on the other side of the engine, so they are balanced in respect to one another. So the weight is just on one side and the engine is unbalanced. This unbalancing will cause the vibratory sieve to move. The engine being unbalanced will cause the vibratory effect in the vibratory sieve. For the other side of the engine, we will use the same type of weights. Arranged in the similar position, one with one another. And as said before, arranged with the opposite weights so that we have all the weight on one side of the engine, and when they turn, they cause the vibratory effect. We screw them tight for security reasons, and we place the cover so that this moving part cannot harm anyone. And following, we will place the engine in its position at the bottom of the sieve machine, ready to start. It's a very simple operation. Everything has been designed, every spare part, every operation is intended to be as simple as possible, so changing takes just a matter of a couple or 3 minutes, and we are ready to go. As always, please like, share with your friends if you found it interesting. Click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Leave comments in the section below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.